Messes are a part of life, but the RYOBI USB Lithium Power Spray Mop delivers faster cleaning with less effort. Innovative powered vibration works with cleaning solution and microfiber pads to agitate, lift, and trap tough messes and stuck-on dirt. The built-in LED helps you find and eliminate hidden dust and dirt. Use the refillable tank with RYOBI cleaning solution to keep your hard surfaces sparkling clean. The agile swivel head design gets you into every nook and cranny. And when you're done, toss the reusable cleaning pad into the washer, saving you money and reducing waste. The included battery is removable and rechargeable, giving you portable power anywhere you go. The RYOBI USB Lithium Power Spray Mop, part of the USB Lithium family of tools, exclusively at the Home Depot.